Hello again everyone. Since the last devlog, we have made a lot of changes to some crucial mechanics in our game, and also added new ones that will be shown one by one in this devlog video. And again, we are Capstone Ninjas, presenting our second devlog for our first game, Hushed Orbit. Before going through the mechanic changes, we will go through the bug fixes our team had fixed so far. First off, there's a mechanic change that is important for me to discuss before moving forward to the bug fixes. Camera angle. We struggled in trying to make the old camera angle work to be more immersive and a bit more scary, so instead, we decided to experiment on different camera angles to make it work. And we found one that is suitable for our game. This angle gave a more in-depth immersion and made our environment more noticeable. Now onto the bug fixes. Crouch Footstep. The crouch form in our game still made footstep noises, although it was supposed to be used in sneaking around the monster and obstacles. We struggled with the nodes being tangled with the noise bar and solved it by using new nodes that help on separating the crouch form with the standing form of our character. Immersion. We wanted to have a bit more immersive atmosphere in the game without making it stray far away from its theme, so we added lighting effects and a fog effect in the game to give it a more focused, gloomy atmosphere. Noise bar. There are times where the footsteps of the character override the noise of the traps, which makes the game think that the player has not stepped on the trap. We solved this by learning nodes related to the arrays in which was used for the traps and noise bar. Oxygen decrease. On the start of the game, the oxygen bar of the player is not supposed to decrease before they start the tutorial phase. We fixed that by making two different game states of our character from the start of the game and on the tutorial level moving forward. New mechanics. Camera shake. We added a camera shake effect when being chased by the monster to give a more immersive experience for showing the character's panic through the camera shakes on the screen. Flashlight flicker. When the flashlight is turned on for a certain duration, it malfunctions and needs to be turned off. Or else the flashlight will keep on flickering. A short time after it is turned off, it will be able to function normally again. Pushing objects. An object will spawn at the start of the game where the player has to push the object to the designated area to activate or play an event. These are all the things that we have fixed and added in our current version of the game. There's still a lot more to fix and add, so here's what to possibly look forward to in the next devlog. A reworked map. The current map we have is just a testing ground for our game, and we decided we would be making a new map that will fit to the atmosphere and the theme of the game. Rework sound effects. For now, the rework sound effects has been made, but is yet to be added in the game, so it wasn't able to be shown in today's devlog. But it is possible that in the next devlog, the sound effects would be included. Updated sprite animation and model for enemy and main character. The artists are still working on the sprites, and they aren't ready to be added in our game, so it's still a work in progress. Improved UI design. Same as the sprites, the artists are still working on the UI and still a work in progress. New game mechanics. We want to make our game more interactable with the environment, so we're looking to add more interesting game mechanics in the future versions of the game. I hope you enjoyed our devlog update for today, and look forward to our future devlogs that will include some of the stated possible updates. If you did enjoy watching, please leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment because we appreciate every feedback we get. If you want to see more of the live progress of our game updates or have any questions, you can join this Discord link. Or just follow us on our FB page and comment or like on our posts. See you around, engineers!